There it is, guys. This is a new project. The Uber project, I call it. This is a car. It's a 2015 Maxima that I'm using for Uber in the promotion. That's basically it. Pretty nice car. Yeah, talk to you for a minute. Oh yeah. Okay. So, why do I have a Maxima? Well, after the VIA project, which was a month, let me put the windows up. I wanted to try out as many rideshare as I can, and Uber brought back a promotion that they took off, which they give you a car and they pay for the first 2 weeks, and if you leased it from American Lease, you can return it after 2 weeks. So that's what I'm doing for 2 weeks. This will be my project. I will let you guys know how much exactly that I made. This is gonna be my second week already. In my first week, I drove 3 full days, meaning 12 to 13-hour days. And the fourth day, I worked like 4 hours. And the fifth, I worked like 5 hours because I got booted from Uber. It had a network issue. Some of you guys know about that, about last week. I think it was Thursday. Yeah, that day, Thursday. And then I just went home and knocked out. I was too tired. So I was like, well, since Uber is not working and I can only do Uber with this car, I had no choice but to go home. I think it took me out for like 3 hours. So I was not going to wait 3 hours on the road for them to put me back. So I went home, took a rest. But yeah. This is the Ultimate Uber office. This is my office project that I'm gonna be updating you guys from. So my first week, I did $970 for, I think it was 60 something hours, something like that. I'm gonna have to update you guys on the next week. I'm gonna update you guys exactly how much I made, how many hours I did, and all that good stuff. So if you are interested in doing Uber in the city, I wanted to know how profitable it is. Since I did VIA in the city, it was very profitable. $1,500 a week, that's not bad, not too shabby. And since I did Uber and Lyft in Westchester, and if you live in Westchester, go watch my Westchester video. Use my link down in the description. You get money, I get money. We all get money. That's why we are working. So it's no loss, only gains. And if you want to get this promotion, next video, next week, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how to get it and where to get it. This is Komasada out. And sorry for the shakiness. I'm just gonna straight upload this because I'm trying to do the videos in my house, and my kids sometimes won't. It's not possible with kids. So and I have a 1-bedroom apartment, so it's very hard to record and do that at the same time, Anyway, I'm gonna try to do the videos from my car from now on during my lunch break. I think that will be more suiting. It's gonna be less editing though. But anyway, that's it for today. Come on, out. Peace.